Is Plato VPN just another free VPN with a fancy name, or is it actually worth trusting? That's the real question, especially when it markets itself as a secure, anonymous, one-tap VPN solution without charging a cent. Right off the bat, Plato VPN has a clean interface. You just tap once and you're connected, no account, no email, no setup. It's great for bypassing basic content blocks like region-locked videos or school Wi-Fi restrictions. But let's be honest, there's a big trade-off when a VPN is completely free. During my tests, the speeds were decent for casual browsing and streaming in standard definition. However, it struggled with more secure sites and didn't work reliably with Netflix or banking apps. And here's the kicker. Plato VPN doesn't make it clear how they fund their free service or what data, if any, is being logged behind the scenes. So, is Plato VPN actually good? For light casual use on public Wi-Fi or school networks, it's fine. But if you care about privacy and trust, you're probably better off with a more transparent, reputable VPN. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.